Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and this is going to be your last love bite this month. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Virgo. And as I'm starting the reading, I do see a 444 on my clock for you. Wow, that's an angel number. This is a blessed reading. Let's see what's going to show up this time, and. Yes, let's begin. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you, so keep that in mind, okay? My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Virgo, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Hermit, Justice, and the Judgment card. Three major arcana straight shot. Eight of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Wands. I told you the fours were there for you, right? Four of Wands, Ace of Wands, and the Two of Cups. What's happening in this reading, Virgo? And then we have the Five of Cups. Lot of reflection going on, lot of thinking, lot of healing going on. Maybe you've been in hermit mode. I'm just wondering, I mean, no cards are reversed. I was just checking, did I shuffle them properly? I did, because there's so many which are in reverse as well. But on my spread here, they are all upright with the Wheel of Fortune right in the center of my spread. So whatever is happening right now, Virgo, in your life is destiny. This is destiny. This is not, whatever's happening is not happening by chance. There's a lot of thinking, lot of reflection, lot of maybe you are alone at the moment reflecting on whatever's happened in life. And this is a very strong connection with the Four of Wands and the Ace of Wands and the Two of Cups, and yet somebody has walked away and feeling abandoned. Why is that? Let's take some dialogue message cards, Virgo, and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that is. This is like a predestined kind of a connection. Virgo and their person, spirit, if they had to say something to each other right now. Take a few from here as well, Virgo. Virgo and their person, if they had to say something to each other now, what would that be, Spirit? And we'll take a couple from here. Virgo and their person. All right, Virgo, let's start your reading. First card here says, when you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave for inner peace right now. My soul feels unsettled. Like I said, somebody is now going into reflection mode. They're in hermit mode, trying to heal themselves, trying to find peace and just harmony within their own selves here. It pisses me off as to how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. Why do you try and downplay our connection, even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? It really cuts deep like a knife to the heart. And I do see that. This is a soulmate connection right here. I wish we could be just direct and transparent with each other. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. Somebody walked away and the other person probably allowed them to. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. I've never felt such an intense connection. So Virgo, if these messages are resonating with you, I'm going to start clarifying these cards now. But before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels can bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Yes. Somebody is dealing with very, very heavy emotions at the moment. I mean, with a connection as intense as this, and walking away and feeling isolated from your partner can lead to feeling a lot of emotions. So you have to take very, very special care of yourself. A lot of healing is required at the moment, Virgo. So let's see. Hermit spirit. Why is the Hermit here? Hermit. Hermit. My God, what is this reading? I don't understand. I have a Four of Wands again with the Ten of Pentacles and the Justice card repeated, all three cards. But somebody is kind of either held back, put them in themselves into some hermit mode or isolation or something, reflecting on this connection which they really want or wanted to bring justice to this connection, because it seems like a connection you can have a happily ever after with, something that can go the long haul, and somebody's been trying to stay very strong regarding it. What is this Justice spirit and the Judgment card? Maybe hoping and wishing that with the time things will come back into balance. Yes, somebody is waiting. Somebody is waiting patiently, trying to keep all their strength up, because heart of hearts they know that this is the person. This is the person I'm supposed to end up with. This is the person I want to have my Ten of Pentacles with, looking into the future and seeing them in it, and hoping and wishing that, things will be put right soon and there will be a rebirth of this connection. Judgment. Judgment spirit. Judgment. Somebody is not happy right now. They're really wishing and hoping for a reconciliation. Exactly what this card represents. Coming out of your graves and starting a new and a brand new life and whatever. Somebody is really unhappy that they're not being able to reconcile at the moment, maybe. Maybe in the past somebody walked away from this connection, Virgo. Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. Who walked away and why, Spirit? Eight of Cups. There was some kind of power play here. Some kind of power play here regarding a commitment. Some kind of fight broke out where one person wanted to have it their way and the other person maybe wanted it to have it their way. There was some kind of argument, fight that broke out, and it could have been regarding a commitment or a committed relationship, or wanting to be committed while the other person was fighting or something like that. And this new beginning which should have happened didn't happen. So, but now we have the Wheel of Fortune in your favor. So let's see how things are going to change. One more for the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. And the Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. One more for the Four of Wands, Spirit. One more for the Four of Wands. All right. So now somebody wants communication. Okay. Now the separation has been on, I think, till now, somebody is they're taking a re-evaluation of this connection. I think maybe the person who allowed their partner to walk away, now there is no communication maybe between the two of you, or you guys are really not talking to each other the way that you guys used to. Somebody is now wanting things to start moving again, but they are kind of evaluating what went wrong here. Why didn't this connection grow? What kind of happened here? They are trying to find clarity, which I don't think they have. Maybe some lies has been spoken, or things were not made clear. Even though they're hoping and wishing for this movement to begin, they don't have the words right now. So what they're doing right now, even though they know that this is the person I want, this is the person who's my forever person, they are also maybe understanding that now that their partner may have some boundaries put up. Maybe they would be a bit defensive, and that's kind of frustrating them big time, because even though they want to move towards their partner, have this communication, they feel their partner will have boundaries up, and that's frustrating the person who allowed them to get away. They're angry, upset, but because they now know that this is my person. So what they're doing is, instead of coming forward and actually having a direct and transparent conversation, they're spying from afar. They're watching, they're waiting for the right time to come in and bring in this apology. Why? Because this person still has a lot of love and a lot of passion. Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands, Spirit. Yes, they're holding on to the connection even now. Even though there's some kind of stagnation going on, they're still holding on very, very tightly to the connection. They feel a strong sense of passion towards their person. They do want to work things out once again. Why? Because they also know that this is my soulmate. Two of Cups. This is my Two of Cups. This is the person. This is the person I want to have equal give and take with. This is my counterpart. This is my 50-50, right? This is the person I want in my life, but right now this person could be at a standstill, still kind of taking stock of how to make this work, being at crossroads. So why are they at crossroads, Spirit? Why are they at crossroads? What's taking them so long to come forward? They're waiting for this other person to kind of simmer down. Maybe there's been a fight, so they're waiting for tempers to kind of maybe come down and wait for some time before they can come in, because they feel right now their partner may have boundaries up. They may be upset with them, or another fight may break out. But in all this waiting also, whoever this person is who did the wrong is also feeling quite abandoned and left out in the cold. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. This could be a fire sign you're dealing with. They like to be seen as somebody who can be respected, and as a person who is fantastic. They have a lot of passion for whoever they've left behind here now. But as much as they want to communicate, they want to come forward and extend their passion, their love, or whatever. This person wants to actually charge in. They can't wait any longer. They are sexually frustrated, I think, at the moment. But they're also realizing that whatever has happened with this fight has kind of led this connection to go the wrong way. And they know probably it's their fault, and they're feeling quite abandoned right now. Yes, they know they've created there's been some kind of tower moment which has happened in this connection. Something has really, this could be anger. The King of Wands sometimes is kind of known for their anger tantrums, right? So this person could have, as passionate as they are in bed, they could be very, anger driven as well, because this is a red hot, fiery person. Like, that's why I said could be a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. And yes, they know that something blew up. Maybe they did it, and now this person is heavily stressed, thinking the worst, thinking that, whether they'll get another chance or not. So yes, both of you, I think, dealing with your emotions at the moment. But I do feel this person has a lot of love for you. They do want to restart this connection, have a rebirth of this connection once again. They want to communicate with you. They want this fight to end, Virgo. They also want this fight to end. So we'll go deeper into their side and your side next time. Your next reading will be on Thursday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.